Question number 5 says that write the following decimal numbers in expanded form. We'll be starting with the first bit where the decimal number is 20.03. So 2 before the decimal is at tens place. So we'll write it as 2 times 10 plus 0 times 1 because 0 is at ones place plus 0 times 1 over 10 because after decimal 0 is at tens place plus 3 times 1 over 100 because 3 which is after the decimal is at hundreds place. So this is the expanded form of 20.03. Coming to the second bit, we have 2.03. 2 is at ones place, so we'll write it as 2 times 1 plus 0 times 1 over 10 because 0 is at tens place after the decimal plus 3 times 1 over 100 because 3 is at hundreds place after the decimal. Now this is the expanded form of 2.03. Coming to the third bit, we have 2 times 100 because 2 is at hundreds place plus 0 times 10 because 0 is at tens place plus 0 times 1 because there is one more 0 which is at ones place plus 0 times 1 over 10 plus 3 times 1 over 100. Now this is the expanded form of 200.03. Coming to the last bit, which is the fourth bit of this question, we can write it as 2 times 1 because 2 is at ones place plus 0 times 1 over 10. 0 is at tens place after the decimal plus 3 times 1 over 100 because 3 is at the hundreds place after decimal plus 4 times 1 over 1000 because 4 is at thousands place after the decimal. So this is how we write the expanded forms of given decimal numbers.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.